How to create subclips. To begin, I added a clip to my project and I want to create subclips from it. Double-click on your clip in Project Panel to open it in Source Panel. Now move the playhead to where you want to be the start of your subclip and click on Mark In button. Move the playhead to where you want the end to be and click on Mark Out button. Now go to Clip and choose Make Subclip. In the pop-up, set a name for it and check the Restrict Trims to Subclip Boundaries and click OK. Now Premiere added this subclip to our project, and drag it into Timeline to use it. Because we checked the Restrict Trims to Subclip Boundaries, now we cannot increase the length of this subclip in Timeline. Now right-click the selected area in Source Panel and select Clear In and Out to clear the selection. Now create another in and out. Another way to create subclip is to drag from Source Panel and drop into Project Panel. If we create subclip this way, the boundaries are not restricted, and we can extend our subclip. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.